Imagine you're drowning. Waves crash above you, lungs burn, and you're seconds away from blacking out. Suddenly, you feel something push you upward, not a human hand, but a smooth, powerful force from below. When you open your eyes, you're not alone. A dolphin is circling you, keeping you afloat, guiding you towards safety. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if I told you this actually happens, and more often than you'd think? Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious bond between dolphins and humans. Can they really sense when we're in danger and choose to save us? Stick around, because the stories are real, the science is surprising, and what we discover might change how you see these marine creatures forever. If you love uncovering the truth behind animal myths, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let's explore this mystery together. Throughout history, dolphins have captivated us, not just as intelligent animals, but as mysterious allies of humankind. In ancient Greece, they were seen as sacred. Stories told of dolphins saving shipwrecked sailors, guiding lost boats, even rescuing children. In modern times, we've seen dolphins as entertainers, military assistants, and therapy animals. But one idea keeps resurfacing: that dolphins can, and do, save people from drowning. But is this just a beautiful myth? Or are dolphins truly capable of this kind of empathy, awareness, and intentional rescue? And if so, why do they help us? Are they just curious, or do they actually care? These questions go deeper than you think. Let's uncover the truth. Dolphins are part of the cetacean family, along with whales and porpoises, and they're known for their intelligence. Their brains are large relative to body size, with a neocortex more complex than any other non-human species. This part of the brain handles self-awareness, problem-solving, and emotional processing. Scientists have observed dolphins using tools, recognizing themselves in mirrors, and even grieving their dead. But perhaps most fascinating, they are ultrasocial. They live in tight-knit pods, communicate with complex sounds, and even respond to distress calls, including from humans. This social intelligence could explain their ability to recognize when something is wrong and act on it. In 2004, researchers documented a group of lifeguards in New Zealand who were surrounded by dolphins during a shark encounter. The dolphins formed a protective circle until the shark swam away. In another case, British marine biologist Michael Maudsley shared how dolphins led him and another diver to safety when strong currents trapped them. While formal experiments are hard to conduct in the wild, dolphin-assisted therapy programs have shown that dolphins can sense emotional and physical distress in humans and respond with gentleness. There's still debate about whether this behavior is conscious rescue or instinctual reaction, but the evidence is mounting. Now let's go beyond science, to the incredible real stories that spark this entire question. In 2000, surfer Todd Endress was attacked by a great white shark off the California coast. Just when it seemed fatal, a pod of dolphins appeared. They formed a barrier, allowing him to escape. In 2014, a group of fishermen in the Philippines reported being pulled by a dolphin toward their overturned boat after a storm. And perhaps most chilling, a near-drowning victim in Italy claimed a dolphin pushed him to the surface 3 times before a boat arrived. These are not isolated incidents. They appear across cultures, continents, and decades. Coincidence? Or a pattern of empathy? Some believe dolphins are nature's protectors, a link between humanity and the ocean. In spiritual traditions, dolphins are symbols of guidance, hope, and rescue. Their appearance is often seen as a sign of peace, protection, or divine intervention. Could their behavior be more than instinct? Could it be a form of interspecies connection? When we're most vulnerable, they come. That's not just biology, it feels like something deeper. Other animals save humans too. Dogs, elephants, even gorillas. But dolphins are different. They're not domesticated. They're not trained. Yet they still help. Unlike a pet saving its owner, dolphins help complete strangers in open water. With no reward. That makes their actions not just rare, but extraordinary. So, can dolphins really save people from drowning? The answer is yes, and they have. Whether guided by instinct, emotion, or something we don't fully understand, dolphins have consistently stepped in during human emergencies. Science doesn't yet have all the answers. But the stories, they're real. The people, alive because of it. And maybe that's proof enough. These stories remind us that we're not alone in this world, even in the middle of the ocean. Dolphins teach us something deeper. Empathy doesn't need words. Maybe we, too, should learn to listen to the distress around us, even in silence. Maybe we can be more like dolphins, aware, kind, and brave when it matters most. So here's a question for you. If a dolphin can choose to save a stranger, what's stopping us from doing the same every day for each other? Thank you for watching until the end. Have you ever had an unexpected animal encounter? Or do you know someone saved by a dolphin? Share your story in the comments. I read every one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next mystery. Until then, stay curious and stay safe out there.